Oh God, the crazy one.
There's Medea's house.
Is that Medea's house?
The white one?
Back there?
It's hard to get a tour of this area, but she's got connections. So I'm a stalker. I'm a great stalker. I'm a good stalker. But when I say that, I mean I try to put the pressure on people that have, let's say, avenues to get to people like Tyler Perry, Mr. Tyler Perry. So I don't even have to tell you how I originated. I made a few calls, and I kept making calls, and I kept making calls. And then I asked someone that mentors me. I said, wait a minute, she knows him. And she made one phone call, and here we are. And he himself is the one that told her, yes, we all can be here. So we have to thank those people, our ancestors that allowed this all to happen, right? Because we're breathing out the love and blood of our ancestors. I just want to say, you young people, like when they really say y'all are the future, y'all are the future. Y'all can do something like that, if not in Atlanta. Did I say that right? Atlanta. Or the ATL. Or the ATL. Big A. Y'all can do whatever y'all want to do, whatever y'all can do, whatever you put your mind to. Don't ever let anybody ever tell y'all less. Please believe that. For me personally, I believe when I put something out there, it happens. I think I was talking to Cheryl. I was talking to Alicia, I was talking to James, I was talking to Soraya. I said, we're going to get to Tyler Perry Studios. I don't know how. I don't know if they're going to arrest me out front, but we're going to get there, not for us, but for y'all. So we hope to bring more students here. Tell your peers, tell your parents, tell people that are y'all age that, yo, I had a great experience. Y'all had a great experience, right? Yes. I can't hear y'all. Y'all had a great experience, right? Yes. Please thank Miss Cheryl. Please give her a round of applause. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
He doesn't stop, therefore I don't stop. It's like a constant, every day. He's like lightning speed. years ahead of all of us. You know what I mean? Like, if y'all come back in like 10 years, this whole place is going to be different. We're going to have a theater, we're going to have retail space. It's going to be like expanded sets like Little Tokyo and Venice Beach and all kind of, this whole place is going to look different. So remember like it is now, and then when y'all come back.
You heard that she's inviting y'all back. So I got to be nice to her and make sure the love stays. Which it will.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Mrs. Tyler Perry. And Cheryl. And Cheryl.